Good morning and welcome to MBA batch of Luth Mata Institute of Management Studies, LIMS Business News. Let's get the news rolling with the top 6 business news.
PayPal fined Rs 96 lakh as penalty for violating India's anti-money laundering processes. American online payment gateway giant PayPal has been imposed a Rs 96 lakh penalty by the FIU for alleged contravention of the anti-money laundering law and accused of concealing suspect financial transactions and abetting disintegration of India's financial system. PayPal, which began India operations in November 2017, said it was fully committed to follow due processes and is carefully reviewing the matter. The company has also been charged with defeating and frustrating the tenets of public interest and provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, which aims to keep the country's financial system safe from economic crimes, terrorist financing, and black money transactions. Thank you.
This is Punushaji. Today's headline. India may ease regulations for non-Chinese firms investing from Hong Kong. India may reduce scrutiny of deals by Hong Kong-based investors as long as Chinese firms aren't involved in the transactions, said people with knowledge of this matter. The proposals under consideration include making it mandatory for beneficial owners from nations sharing a land border with the India to seek the government's permission to acquire more than 10% stake in any local firm. The people said asking not to be identified, citing rules. The discussions are at parliamentary stage.
This reporter, Parvati. Today's headline is Indians investing in US stock turn to little known electronic vehicle players as Tesla turns costly. Brokers dealing in US stocks have seen a worrying trend in the behavior of Indian investors betting money on Nasdaq listed stocks. They have shared buying shares of small unbroken electric vehicle companies. Electric vehicle is one of the sectors that has no listed peers in India, and hence Indians went after the biggest electronic vehicle maker in the world, Tesla, during the pandemic. But as Tesla shares reach evaluated levels, these investors turn to lesser known EV makers. Data shared by Investa, another firm that operates a platform to facilitate investment in foreign securities, showed FAANG stocks from nearly one quarter of all investment from India via the platform. FANG refers to Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Indian investors who are already invested in US stock in good numbers became more active after the US presidential election as it is cleared an overhang on the market, giving visibility for the next 4 years.
Hey, it's Vendas representing Group 3 with today's news. Boeing extends 737 MAX sales streak as Alaska Air Boost order. Boeing Corporated extended its sales streak of 737 MAX jets as Alaska Air Group Incorporated boosted an order agreement to 68 jets and announced plans to return to a fleet with a single aircraft type. The airline will return its Airbus SE A320 family planes, which it got from buying Virgin America 4 years ago as their leases expire, Alaska Chief Executive Officer Brad Tilden said ahead of the Tuesday announcement. Before the Virgin America deal, the Seattle-based airline had a long history as an all-Boeing operator and corporate neighbor of the plane makers' factories. The Alaska order buttresses Boeing's effort to sell the MAX despite the worst aviation downturn on record and the longest grounding in US history as airlines press for discounts and prepare for an eventual travel rebound. With the deal, Boeing continued to boost sales of its workhorse single-aisle jets. US officials cleared the MAX to resume flying last month, including a 75-plane order by Ireland's Ryanair Holdings. Thank you.
Hi, I am Amal representing Group 2. Today's business news. India must get its manufacturing policy right this time. India's manufacturing sector lack of sufficient depth for a large country. Depth is manufacturing provides security against foreign threats. It is the foundation of sustainable competitiveness in international trade, and it provides pathways for wages to rise. India needs all the three, and now is the time to address this. China and India are the only two countries in the world with population of over 1 billion. This provides a large potential market also, a large workforce to produce for the world market and for their own. The growth trajectories of the Asian neighbors reveals how far behind India has fallen over the past 3 decades. In 1990, India's manufacturing sector was comparable with China's. Since then, China's manufacturing sector has grown almost 10 times larger, and its capital good and machine tool sector 50 times. Not only is China becomes the factory of the world, selling labor incentives products across the planet, it has also developed high-tech manufacturing capabilities in economics, telecom, power equipments and machine tools. It is it is this depth of the manufacturing capabilities that has made it a threat to the West. Thank you.